Today we are exploring Advent of Code 2023, Day 10, Pipe Maze. I'm going to show you 60 lines of code which solve it in 70 milliseconds. Let's dive in. We are given a two-dimensional grid of tiles. Each tile represents either a vertical or horizontal pipe, a 90-degree bend in all four directions, ground, or a starting point. We must find out how many steps along the loop of pipes it takes to get from the starting position to the point furthest from the starting position. I used a next pipe map to find possible directions the pipe can lead to. Then I parsed the input and found a starting position S in a grid. Then I replaced the S symbol with F. It is kind of a hack, but in all examples and the puzzle input, the symbol S is always F, so I did not bother. It can be easily found in case you want to do it. Then I simply followed all the pipes and recorded distances until I reached the starting point again. Then I would simply divide the distance by 2. That is the answer to the part 1. In the second part, we are asked to find how many tiles are enclosed by the pipe loop. It is a little tricky. It is not enough to just flat fill the outside of the grid and count the interior tiles. There are also junk pipes lying around that aren't connected to the main loop at all. We must count these as well, if they are enclosed by the loop. There are many ways to tackle this problem. I'm going to show you probably the most elegant way by counting parity. We can simply read the grid line by line, and if we encounter the pipe symbol, we enter the loop. When we encounter the next pipe symbol, we leave the loop. Therefore, we are inside only if the parity is odd. However, there are 90-degree bends, which makes it harder. There are configurations of pipes which do not increase the parity. The U-shapes, L-J and F-7. Sequences L-7 and F-J do increase parity because we can imagine them as S-shaped pipes, which we have to cross to enter or exit the pipe loop. We increase the parity if we encounter the pipe symbol L or J. We can use the pipe symbol F and 7 instead if we want to. You might ask why it works. Sequence L-J increases the parity by 2, so the result is unchanged if we check if it is odd. Sequence F-7 does not change parity at all, and S-shaped sequences L-7 and F-J increase the parity only once. Let's run the code. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.